friends, this is part 2. The conversation between King Yadu and Avadhut Brahmina. To see the part 1, please refer to the link in the description box. Brahmina starts speaking about his sixth guru, Moon. The Brahmin's sixth guru was Moon. Brahmina says the moon goes through various phases during its monthly cycle. But the fullness or darkness of the moon at the beginning and end of each fortnight are only appearances. The moon itself remains unchanged. We see waxing or waning moon. We see the reflection of moon in red color water and we feel moon is red. But moon is pure, shining white in color and unchanged size. Brahmina says, from moon I have learned that soul is unchanged from birth to death. It is unchanged even if it's in human body or animal body. So, sage should not be affected by bodily changes. It's just that soul is entrapped in material body, so seems to manifest various qualities, but soul itself is pure and same. Brahmina starts speaking about his seventh guru's son. Avadhut Brahmina's seventh guru was sun. Avadhuta says, sun evaporates large quantities of water with its potent rays, but then releases it to the earth in the form of rain. Sun does not hold the water with him, nor he claim any ownership. In the same way, a sage may take possession of all types of material objects, but redistributes them when a worthy person in need is present. Sage is not entangled with his material possessions, nor in accepting and giving up the objects of the senses. Brahmina starts speaking about his eighth guru, Pigeon. Once upon a time, there lived a pigeon in a forest along with his wife. They had beautiful kids together, but due to lots of attachment towards his family, Pigeon lost his life by getting trapped into hunters' clutches. The lesson that Avadhut Brahmina drew from this drama was that too much attachment to material pleasures results in pain and deception. One should never indulge in excessive affection or concern for anyone or anything. Otherwise, one will have to experience great suffering, just like the pigeon. To see the full story of the pigeon, refer the link in description box. Brahmina starts speaking about his ninth guru, Python. Avadhut Brahmina's ninth guru was Python. This great snake lies quietly for great lengths of time without searching for food. Rather, it waits for its prey to come to it. If nothing comes to it, it is capable of tolerating hunger. Similarly, intelligent one does not over-endeavor for material comforts and should be capable to accept whatever comes in his way on its own accord. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati states, we should learn to tolerate our ever-demanding senses without giving in to them. So, today we learnt about another 4 gurus of Avadhut Brahmina with its teaching. In third part, we will see the other gurus of Avadhuta. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.